Hi, I am back, and in this video I want to show you a ridiculously easy way to cook mashed potatoes. Now you only need 2 ingredients for this recipe, so if you combine this with something else, you end up with such a nice dish. This has saved me so many times that I'm really excited to share it with you. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. For this recipe we're only going to need potatoes and coconut milk. We're going to start by washing the potatoes, cutting them, and boiling them. The next step is going to be peeling them. This is completely optional, but I really recommend you doing it if you want your mashed potatoes to be smoother. Just make sure to rinse them with some cold water before you do it. Now we're going to take the coconut milk and toss it to make sure that everything is homogeneous. Usually I only need half a glass of coconut milk, but it really depends on the quantity of potatoes that you're using. So as the last step is just going to be blending both ingredients together, we're going to be adding the coconut milk bit by bit until we reach that smooth desired texture. Now I just wanted to quickly point out that if you don't have a blender, it's okay. You can still mix both ingredients by smashing them with a fork. It won't be that smooth, but it certainly tastes as good. Here are some ideas for combinations. So that was it. I really hope you try it, and if you do, I really hope you like it. I will be uploading more videos like this every week, so make sure to stay tuned, especially for the next one because it's going to be something sweet, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Also, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to write them down in the comments or text me through my Instagram, and make sure you follow it because I post every day recipes that are still in the process or just for some inspiration, and you'll see me very soon with another easy, delicious, nutritious recipe.